Hi kids, welcome to Vidya's classroom. Today we are going to celebrate Yellow Day. What day today? Yellow Day. We are going to celebrate Yellow Day. Share your feelings with Yellow Day. See, all the objects were displayed here in yellow color to reinforce the color yellow. Let me sing one song with yellow daffodils and yellow fireside. Shall I sing a song for you? Yes. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Boom tiara, 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 boom tiara. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights were low. Boom tiara, 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 boom tiara. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. Yellow flowers. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside. Yellow fireside. I love the fireside when the lights were low. Boom tiara, 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 boom tiara. Do you like the song, kids? Yes. Let me introduce some objects related to the color yellow. Now I am going to introduce some real objects. First, we are having flowers. Yellow flowers. See? Yellow flowers. These are yellow flowers. Yellow flowers. What is the color of the flower? Yellow. What is the color of the flower? Yellow. What is the color of the flower? Yellow. This is fried grams. This is fried grams. What is the color of the fried grams? Yellow. What is the color of the fried grams? Yellow. We are having another doll. This is two doll. Two doll. What is the color of the doll? Yellow. What is the color of this two doll? Yellow. And we are having one more doll. What is this doll? It's a moon doll. What is the color of the moon doll? Yellow. What is the color of the moon doll? Yellow. What is the color of the moon doll? Yellow. Yellow color smiley. What is this? This is yellow chart. What is this? Yellow chart. Yellow chart. Yellow chart. Wow, what is this? Yellow color plate. I'm having yellow color beads. I'm having yellow color beads. Yellow. Yellow color beads. Next, I'm having a box. Smiley. Yellow color box. Yellow color box. Yellow box. Ta-da! I'm having a cup. Yes. Smiley yellow cup. What is this? Smiley yellow cup. See my yellow cup? I'm having a car. See? Yellow car. See the car? Yellow car. I'm having dog toy, which is also yellow color. Yellow color toy dog. And I'm having a fish. And I'm having a fish, which is an yellow color. Yellow color fish. 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 Yellow color fish. And then yummy, yummy banana. Yellow banana. See, I'm having yellow banana. Yes. Do you like yellow banana? Yes. Yummy, yummy yellow banana. What is the color of the banana? This banana is yellow color. And these banana also yellow color. Yellow color bananas. What is this? This is a corn. What is this? This is a corn. What is this? This is a corn. Yellow corn. See the pearls are in yellow color. Yellow corn. Yellow corn. Yummy, yummy yellow corn. What is the color of this corn? Yellow. Yellow corn. See, I'm having yellow lemon rice. See, yellow rice. I'm having yellow color rice. Smells good. Yellow color rice. Yellow color lemon rice. What is the color of the lemons? See, the lemons are yellow color. See, the lemons are yellow color. Yellow color lemons. What is the color of the lemon? Yellow. Color of the lemons are yellow. What is this? Yes, turmeric. What is the color of the turmeric? Yellow color. Color of the turmeric is yellow color. See? Yellow color. Yellow color powder. I'm having a comb. Yellow color comb. See? Yellow color comb. Yellow comb. Yellow comb. And I'm having diya. Yellow color diya. We used to light lamp in the house, right? See? Yellow color diya. And I'm having a stapler which is yellow color. Yellow color stapler. Yellow color stapler. See, I'm having some yellow buttons. What is the color of the buttons? Yellow. Yellow buttons. I'm having yellow buttons. Yellow markers. See, do you have yellow sketch pens or crayons? Yes, you're having crayons or sketch pens at home, right? Yellow color. Now I'm having yellow color marker. I'm having a yellow color party cap. Yellow color party cap. I'm having yellow color party cap. Yellow color party cap. Birthday party cap. Yellow color birthday party cap. Yellow color building blocks. And I'm having another model also. Yellow color building blocks. Yellow color building blocks. Having yellow color band. See this band. I can wear it in the hair or I can wear it in the hand also, in the wrist. Yellow color band. Yellow color bands. This is yellow woolen flowers. I have made this flowers using the woolen thread. Yellow woolen thread. This is yellow woolen flowers. Yellow woolen flowers. Next, I'm having some bangles. See, my kid bangle. See, these are all yellow bangles. Ta-da! Yellow bangles. See, yellow bangles. And what is this? It's an yellow bowl. This is a yellow bowl. What is this? Yellow bowl. Yellow bowl. What is the shape? What is this color of this one? Yellow. And what is the shape? Yes, triangle. Yellow triangle. Yellow triangle. And next, what is this? Yes, yellow square. Yellow square. Yellow square. Next, what is this? Yellow circle. Yellow circle. Yellow circle. What is this? Yes, rectangle. Yellow color, rectangle. Yellow color, rectangle. Yellow rectangle shape. I'm having a spoon. Yellow color. See? Yellow color spoon. Quack, quack. Yes, I'm having mama duck and a baby duck. Both wearing yellow color. Yellow ducks. Quack, quack. Yellow ducks. Ta-da! Yellow ducks. And here there's a yellow dress. I'm having basket full of yellow balls. So many balls. What is the color of this ball? Yes, yellow color balls. Yellow color. Yellow color balls. Yellow balls. And what is this? It's a small yellow color chair. What is this? Small yellow color chair. What is this? Small yellow chair. What is this? Yellow color balloons. I'm having yellow color balloons. Yellow balloons. See? Bunch of yellow balloons. Yellow balloons. Yellow balloons. Take it. These balloons are all for you. These are yellow balloons. Do you need yellow balloons? Take all these yellow balloons. And I'm having a drum. Yellow color drum. See? Yellow color drums. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, yo, yo. See the drums. Yellow color drums. This is nice, right? Yellow color garland, which is made of building blocks. See? I can show you. See? I have removed this. And again, I'm joining this yellow color. See? Again. Ta-da! Yellow color. What is this color? Yellow color. Hello kids, hope you all enjoyed this Yellow Day celebration. You can also check out art and craft work and sensory play related to the Yellow Day celebration in our upcoming videos. Let's meet in the next session. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.